Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So guys, in this video, I am going to tell you the tips that I am using to improve my speaking skill, and I used to improve my speaking skill. So in this video, I am going to tell you a few tips and tricks that I have been following for 2 or 3 months. If you have watched my first video, you can see the improvement in me. Still I know that I have done so many mistakes and I am doing so many mistakes, but I know if I continuously do the practice and if I continuously make myself try to motivate, and one day I will become a fluent speaker. And I am right now, you can see that I am able to convey my message to you. And in this video I am going to tell you the tips that I have followed and I am following right now. The number one tips is curiosity. Curiosity is very important. If you are curious to learn something new, if you want to learn something new, you can learn it. Okay, so you must be curious. If I am here to speak in the front of you and I don't know from which part of our country you are watching my video, from which part of the world you are watching my video, I don't know, and it is the curiosity of someone who wanted to know that he made us such instrument which can help the person to convey their masses in all over the world. And the person make this mobile phone, this internet connection. So these all are the things which are made by the curiosity of the man. And if you become yourself as a curious person, you can learn more, you can improve yourself. The second tip that I follow, that is talk to myself, because you know that I live in a village, and you know the life of village is too busy, and people hardly have a time to work on specific skill. Especially the housewives don't have enough time to work upon their skill. And I these tips really helps to me, that when mostly in the whole day I usually talk to myself, but in different way. The thing is that in initial stage when I have started my YouTube English speaking journey, at that time I usually talk to myself in present continuous tense, that I am doing this thing, I am doing this thing, like this type of. But the new idea that comes in my mind, that now I am using this method, that is what I have to do next. If I am dusting my house, or I am doing my dishes, what I have to do next, like this. And I think it also helps me to improve myself. The next step still I am following, and this is the tip given by one of my subscriber, that is you write only 5 sentences in a day and try to speak as much as you can. It may be you don't have such type of environment in which you speak that sentences, but you can speak that sentences to yourself anytime. 5 sentences, I think, to speak 5 sentences, it's not a big deal. If you learn 5 sentences, you can speak it 10 to 20 times in a day, and after 1 month you will see that you have learned 150 sentences. that you usually use in your daily life. So this thing also will help you to improve your speaking skill. The next thing that I follow, that is reading. I don't have enough time to read because my baby is too young. But whenever I get time, I usually read books. I think it also helped me to improve my speaking skill. So reading is one of the best part to become fluent speaker. Your reading practice help you to enrich your vocabulary as well. In spite of that, you can learn sentence structure. And last tip that I am going to tell you, that again that is very very important, that find out your weak areas. In my school days, nobody taught us about tenses, and only I knew that we use has been, have been in present perfect continue. I didn't know the more uses of has been and have been. But when I watch the video of other people and I watch that they are using has been, have been in different context, then this thing come in my mind, why I am not be able to use this type of word. And then after that I watch so many videos to clear my this doubt. So dear one, if you think that this and these are my weak areas, so please try to clear your doubt. You will not be able to speak in a 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 week, but one day, after 2 months or 1 month, you will see a lots of improvement in yourself. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.